Nice little feature on the Takeuchi, they've got this little door here on the side. You can open it up, your diesel fill is right here. And if you reach down in, you can actually get to the battery disconnect here and turn it on and off without having to open the whole entire side of the machine. So let's take a look under the hood here of the Takeuchi TB290. So inside of here we have the diesel tank, your diesel fill right here. We have your antifreeze tank, windshield washer tank over here. Got your diesel fuel filter on here. This is your hydraulic oil tank back here. Got the sight glass for the oil tank and your fill level right there. On this unit we have a battery disconnect that's mounted right here. This is a keyed disconnect, so you can turn it off, pull the key out. It's got this hasp on it. You flip it over, you can put your lock on it to do your lockout tag out. And then you can flip it back over, put your key back in, turn the battery on. Even though this is a Takeuchi machine, this is a Caterpillar disconnect. So this is a Caterpillar battery disconnect key and a Caterpillar disconnect that's on here. So if you need a key, you can get it from your local cat dealer. Anything as far as that disconnect goes on there.